Focus natin to yan guys. Ang lawak ng ilog na to guys, oh, Saskatchewan River. Someone is doing boating. Paddling their canoe. Another one is coming. Sa couple. Ang ganda. Ang ganda ng view. Meron pang bahay doon sa bundok. Ganda ng mansion. Laki. Yan ang mansion.